Anashiriki vikapu Australia, Desmond Owili amesema huenda ligi ya vikapu ya taifa hilo ikarejea mwezi ujao. Kwa mujibu wa Owilo, tayari baadhi ya masharti yaliyowekwa na serikali hiyo yameanza kuondolewa.
Hi guys, it's Desmond Owili here. Like the rest of the world, Australia is in lockdown. However, we are allowed to go outside to exercise. So I've been running and finding creative ways to work out. Like everywhere, sadly there is no sport at all in Australia. Everywhere is shut down. We should be able to start shooting in the coming months, but close contact is not allowed anymore. I think we're still far away from that. While we all love sports. I know we all do love sports, and we can't do without sport, but the lives of our loved ones is more important than anything. For the sake of everyone, please follow government.